Have a seat. Let's talk about something serious, something that happens every single day, right under our noses. There's a predator out there, but this one isn't hiding in the shadows of a dark alley. It's hiding in plain sight. It's in your email inbox. It's in your text messages. It's even in your social media feeds. This predator doesn't want your physical belongings. It wants something far more valuable. It wants your identity, your passwords, your bank account details. It wants to turn your digital life upside down, and it has the tools to do it with frightening ease. You might think you're too smart to fall for a scam, but that's exactly what they're counting on. The threat is called phishing. It's a simple name for a devastatingly effective tactic. These digital con artists cast a wide net, sending out millions of deceptive messages hoping just a few people will bite. And they do. Every minute of every day, someone clicks a link they shouldn't. Someone enters a password on a fake website. Someone gives away the keys to their entire life without a second thought. The consequences are swift and brutal. Your bank account could be drained in minutes. Your private photos could be stolen and used for blackmail. Your identity could be used to commit crimes in your name. This isn't a game. It's a digital home invasion. So why are we talking about this now on September 4th, 2025? Because the game has changed. The tools these predators use have become more sophisticated, more convincing, more dangerous than ever before. They are no longer sending poorly written emails with obvious spelling mistakes. Today's attacks are polished, professional, and personalized. They can look exactly like a real email from your bank, a real login page for your social media, a real notification from a trusted company. The line between what's real and what's a trap has become dangerously blurred. They are preying on your trust. They are preying on your curiosity. They are preying on your fear. I've spent my career exposing predators, showing you how they think, how they operate, and how they lure their victims. The predators I'm talking about today are no different. They study their targets. They craft their bait with care. They wait patiently for you to make one small mistake. My goal here is simple. I want to pull back the curtain. I want to show you the exact tools they are using. Not so you can use them, but so you can recognize them, so you can see the trap before you step into it. So, what makes phishing so incredibly dangerous? It's not about complex code or hacking into a mainframe like you see in the movies. It's much simpler and much more personal. Phishing works because it targets the weakest link in any security system, the human being. It exploits our natural human tendencies, our trust in brands we recognize, our fear of getting in trouble, our desire for a good deal. The hacker isn't breaking down your digital door with a battering ram. They are tricking you into opening it for them and inviting them inside. They are masters of social engineering, which is just a fancy term for manipulation. Many of these dangerous tools are found in one place, a specialized operating system called Kali Linux. Now let me be very clear about this. Kali Linux itself is not evil. It's a powerful and legitimate tool used by cybersecurity professionals, the good guys. They use it to test their own systems for weaknesses. They call this penetration testing. They are essentially trying to break into their own houses to find the unlocked windows before a real burglar does. It's a critical part of keeping our digital world safe. The problem is what can be used for good can also be used for evil. Think of it like a crowbar. A construction worker can use it to build a house, but a burglar can use it to break into one. The tool is neutral. It's the intention of the person using it that matters. Kali Linux comes preloaded with hundreds of powerful programs designed to test and analyze computer systems. Unfortunately, this makes it a one-stop shop for aspiring hackers and digital predators. They don't have to search the dark corners of the internet for these tools. They are all neatly packaged and ready to go, complete with instructions. This accessibility has lowered the bar for cybercrime. Someone with very little technical skill can watch a few online videos, download Kali Linux, start launching sophisticated phishing attacks in a matter of hours. They don't need to understand how the code works, they just need to know which buttons to press. The tools automate the entire process, creating the fake website, capturing the stolen information. It's a point-and-click system for digital theft, and it puts a dangerous amount of power into the wrong hands. Let's start with the most famous and perhaps the most versatile tool in the phisher's arsenal, the Social Engineer Toolkit, or SET. This tool is designed specifically for social engineering attacks, the art of manipulating people. SET is the Swiss Army knife for predators. It has a whole menu of options for creating different kinds of attacks, but its most powerful feature is its ability to clone websites. This is the weapon that allows a predator to create a perfect pixel-for-pixel copy of a real website in seconds. Your bank's login page, your social media feed, anything. Here's how it works, and it's chillingly simple. The predator opens Set and chooses the Website Attack Vectors option. Then they select the Credential Harvester method. The tool then asks for the web address of the site they want to clone, let's say, your email provider's login page. The predator types it in and hits enter. In an instant, Set creates an identical but completely fake copy of that page and hosts it on the predator's own computer or a compromised server. Next on our list is a tool that has become incredibly popular due to its simplicity. It's called Phisher. If Set is the professional's toolkit, Phisher is the beginner's dream. It takes the complexity out of phishing and makes it almost laughably easy. Phisher automates the entire process of creating and launching a phishing attack. It comes with pre-made templates for over 30 popular websites: Facebook, Instagram, Google, Netflix, PayPal, and many more. The predator doesn't even need to know how to clone a site. Phisher has already done the work for them. The process is, honestly, terrifyingly straightforward. The predator runs the Phisher script in Kali Linux. A menu appears listing all the available websites they can impersonate. Let's say they want to steal Instagram accounts. They simply type the number next to Instagram and hit enter. Phisher then automatically generates a fake but very convincing Instagram login page. It also creates a special, hard-to-trace phishing link. The tool even gives the predator several options for hiding the link's true destination, making it look more legitimate to a potential victim. The entire trap is armed and ready in under 30 seconds. Here's a real-world scenario. A predator wants to hijack a popular social media influencer's account. They use Phisher to generate a fake Instagram login page. Then they send the influencer a direct message. The message might say, "Hi, we are from Instagram's copyright team. Your account has been reported for using unlicensed music in your latest video. Please verify your account ownership at the link below to avoid suspension." The influencer, panicking about losing their account and their business, clicks the link without thinking. As soon as they hit the login button, their credentials are sent directly to the predator's computer screen in real time. Moving down our list, we come to another tool known for its efficiency and ease of use: BlackEye. Much like Phisher, BlackEye is a script designed to automate the creation of phishing pages. It's another favorite among low-skill hackers because it requires almost no technical knowledge to operate. BlackEye offers a wide array of templates for popular websites. First up is GoPhish. Unlike the others, GoPhish is not just for one-off attacks. It's an open-source phishing framework designed for running full-scale phishing campaigns. Then there is Evil Jinx 2. This tool is in a league of its own and represents a significant escalation in the phishing arms race. Evil Jinx 2 is what's known as a man-in-the-middle proxy. Instead of just cloning a page, it sits between you and the real website. Its most dangerous feature is its ability to capture two-factor authentication codes. Our next tool, Wi-Fi Phisher, takes phishing out of your inbox and into the airwaves. This tool targets Wi-Fi networks. It creates a fake Wi-Fi access point that mimics a legitimate one, like the free Wi-Fi at a coffee shop or airport. Finally, the Metasploit framework. Extremely powerful. Not just for phishing. It's a huge framework used by defenders and attackers for many tasks. It includes modules for phishing delivery. Alright, I've shown you the tools. I've pulled back the curtain on how these predators operate. It's a scary world out there. But knowledge is power, and now you have it. You know their playbook, so how do you defend yourself? How do you build a digital shield to protect you and your family? It comes down to vigilance, skepticism, and a few simple but crucial habits. The first and most important rule is this: treat every unsolicited email with suspicion. Treat every unsolicited text with suspicion. Treat every unsolicited direct message with suspicion. Always. Use a password manager to create long, unique, random passwords for every account. Wherever possible, enable two-factor authentication. For most automated phishing attacks, 2FA will stop them cold. It's one of the single best things you can do. Finally, trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Instead of clicking a link, close the message and type the website address into your browser yourself. If it's a real notification, it will be waiting when you log in securely. By being cautious, skeptical, and prepared, you make yourself a much harder target. Be alert, be safe,